Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
It's a men's room door, and outside the door is carpeting, and inside the men's room they've just installed some thick tile, ceramic tile. So we got a step of about a half an inch. And as a bad solution, they put a strip of 5/8 wide aluminum or stainless as a ramp. But as you can picture, it's really steep. It's like 45 degrees or so. And you can't push a wheelchair over it. You got to lift the wheels of the wheelchair to get up over it. So I'm thinking more of a ramp, a longer piece of, a wider strip, I should say. Something like 1.25 inches wide that would give a more gentle ramp.
Yeah, no doubt. So 1/2 inch in height would be a magic dimension.
Yeah, it is. Pretty much
So,
1/2 inch.
Okay, so if you had a actual ramp that was code compliant for ADA, the width of that would be 6 inch. That's obviously not what you want.
Well, it would stick out in the hallway a bit.
Yeah, so I think, how wide of a, you said 1.25 inches. Okay.
Well, that's just my thought on something that would work. I mean, it could be longer, wider than that. 6 inches, like I say, would stick out in the hallway.
So in a threshold that we would call a half saddle, you could go from, you could transition 1/2 inch height. You could do that at a 2 inch width, 3 inch width, and then even greater. You could take that 2 inch, and you could probably rip it on a table saw and squeeze maybe 3/8 out of it before you would hit the web that would hold it up on the back end.
Oh, I'm not picturing that.
Okay.
Yeah, I've looked at some of these extrusions on pictures, and I see that they're meant to fit under the tile or under something, as well as being the ramp on top. They kind of have a shelf underneath it, let's say.
May I give you a part number to look at in the website?
Okay.
So in that search box, top center, please type in the number 252, then the letter A for alpha. And when that page loads, scroll down to any of the items on the bottom half of that page and click on any of them.
252A should be enough to get me.
Oh, yeah.
Products, steam regulators. Door saddle threshold.
252A. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got a Pemco 252A.
That's the one. So that's
okay.
2 inch wide. And you scroll down and you'll see pictures I've taken of it and cross sections and details and whatnot.
Okay. Yeah, I see something I can zoom on here. I see. Yeah. Oh, that'd be good. Oh, yes. Yeah, that would be good, I think. Well, it's still, it's not as gentle a ramp as I would like, but it's a lot better than we have.
It's not, but here's the important part. That angle, the degree of angle, and the height from 0 to 1/2 is actually code compliant. So
really?
While you would like something more gradual, yes, I agree, that does meet requirements for handicap compliance. The rise over run is out of the ANSI A1, out of the federal law, A117, which was passed in the very early 1990s.
Okay, so you know exactly what I'm talking about when I describe the bump that we have here now.
Oh, yeah.
And how wide do these things come? 36 or?
Sure. Any length you want.
Oh, any length.
Yep.
Okay. And are they aluminum?
The base material is aluminum. Yeah, and then you can have a mill, or you can. The A means mill aluminum, just raw aluminum.
Wonderful. Where are you located?
I'm in Southern Florida.
Oh, you are. Oh. And that's where we'd have to get them from, huh?
They would possibly ship from here, yes.
Or does Granger handle these, or somebody up there? Yeah, well, I'm in Chicago.
I have no idea. I don't work for Granger. I work for architectural builders.
Yeah. Well, okay, good. So this 800 number is yours here, 992-3667?
I don't think it's 992. It's 804, I don't remember what the number is. What's it say? 844-809-3667. My name is Richard.
Richard, let me get it again a little slower. 844
809
809
3667.
Okay.
And the phone number is immediately above the search box.
Yeah, I'm reading a different one here. 800-992-3667. Oh, that's close. An 800 number. Okay. Well, great. I've got it on my screen. I see $28.34 here. So I don't know what width or what length that is for that price.
What are the two digits at the end of the part number?
252A. It does say PEMCO length 36, 48, 72, and so forth.
What website are you in?
www.qualitydoor.com.
So that's definitely not my company. And if they're at $28, that's robbery. The cost of that threshold is less than $17.
Oh, okay. Well, I better get on yours. And tell me the name of the website I should be looking at.
A as in architectural, B as in builders,
Okay.
supply, SUPPLY,
Okay.
.net.
Oh, that's easy. All right, Richard. I will get on that one and find this 252A, which looks like a real good solution.
Yeah.
And solve the problem.
Right on.
Great.
And we will follow up with you once you order it and make sure you get it and make sure it works and all that good stuff.
Great. Good to talk to somebody who knows this stuff.
And I'm going to say that Granger doesn't. So, boom,
Oh,
boom.
they handle so many things that finding somebody there that would know thresholds would be sure.
Here's what you got. You got a guy, you got a 5-generation family who can't drive a truck, but you ask us about a threshold and we're going to get you there.
Wonderful. Thank you, Richard. I sure appreciate it.
Thank you for calling.
Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.